This question was asked. This question was asked at JEST 2021. This is the question of uncertainty. Okay. The question is the uncertainty delta x in the position of particle with mass m in the ground state of a harmonic oscillator is 2h cross by mc. What is the energy required to excite the system of the first excited state? Okay, this is the question. This is the NAT question. Okay, this is the NAT question, and we have to find the answer. The unit of the answer is 10 to the power minus 4 mc square. Means if the answer is a into 10 to the power minus 4 mc square, okay, then we have to put in exam hall. The answer is a. Okay, so let us solve the question. Okay, at first I rub it. So solve the question. Okay. Yes. The uncertainty, that is the uncertainty of position, that is delta x. This is given in the question, that is 2 h cross 2h cross by mc. Okay, that is 2h cross by mc, and this is for ground state. Sorry, the h is not good so much, not looking good so much. That is 2h cross by mc. That is for ground state. Ground state means n equals to 0. For quantum harmonic oscillator, energy is n plus half h cross omega. Okay. For ground state, that is E0, that is half h cross omega. First excited state, that is E1, that is 1 plus half h cross omega. So that is 3 by 2 h cross omega. Okay. The energy difference is E. Let's denote it by E, that is 3 by 2 h cross omega minus half h cross omega. That is h cross omega. Okay. So the uncertainty relation, that is delta x, is root over expectation value of x square minus expectation value of x and its square. Okay. What is the expectation value of x square for ground state? That is h cross by 2 m omega, and expectation value of x for ground state is 0. Okay, expectation value of ground state of x is 0. So for so the value of delta x is root over h cross by 2 m omega, and that is equals to 2 h cross by mc. Okay, we have to find the value of omega. Then we take square for both sides. That is h cut square by, sorry, that is h cut, not h cut square. That is h cut by 2 m omega equals to 4 h cut square by m square c square. Okay. After solving this, we get omega equals to m square c square by 2 m into 4h cos. Okay, that is, we cut m square and n, that is m by c square 8 h cos. So, just a second. What is the value of E? Value of E is h cross omega, that is h cross into mc square by 8 h cut. H cut, H cut, we cut H cut and H cut. Okay, so the value is mc square by 8. Okay, the value of E. And if we convert it in decimal, then we get 0.1250 mc square. That is 1250 into 10 to the power minus 4 mc square. Okay, and in question, if we go to the question is in unit is 10 to the power minus 4 mc square. So the answer is, I said it already. Okay, the answer is 1250. This is the answer of the question which was asked. This is the answer of this question which was asked at JEST 2021. Hope you understand the solution.